Today when we got to the school, we had 3 staff members, Melissa Bennett, Stephanie Melissa sitting in one classroom when I was still continuing to journal my feelings, and 2 minutes later I was asked to put away the dishes, and 3 or 4 minutes later Melissa Bennett left Stephanie's classroom and went to Kiana's classroom, and Stephanie went to the teacher's office to complete monthly monitoring, leaving Melissa sitting by herself and leveling Trayshawn up to an unauthorized level that I wasn't leveled up to, and that is why I journaled it in my journal about why Melissa Bennett left Stephanie's classroom and went to Kiana's classroom, and Stephanie left our classroom to go to the teacher's office to complete monthly monitoring, and I said wait to not listen to Shelley Williams and Chad because they said no one at Education and Integration Services Centre is allowed to work in a classroom alone while Trayshawn is having an anxiety disorder, especially when he has already asked Josh to ask permission from Chaley, and even before completing campus house transport on his own, and he needs to pay attention to Trayshawn and 7 other housemates' active anxiety disorders. General event report Josh is the person who obsessively likes to disobey my trusted friend's rules and requests that I had said no to lonely staff members, and stressing the following people out, such as Kevin, Trayshawn, Samuel, Devon, Jacob, Nate, and Austin over the roof of the campus house is not okay, and especially when Trayshawn is actively having an anxiety disorder, especially Vicky mistreating Austin over a fucking Saturday and Sunday on the phone with his girlfriend, and Vicky needs to be nice to Austin, and Josh needs to figure out his behavior and start asking Trayshawn's trusted friends, and I don't care about his unpaid fines that Josh still owes Trayshawn and his housemates/roommates $41,262,816, and the 2 of them plus myself is actively having an anxiety disorder. All 3 of us is actively having an anxiety disorder, and Josh not asking permission is one of them, and the goes double for disobeying Trayshawn's trusted friend's request that Trayshawn had said no to lonely staff members completing transports by themselves, while Trayshawn and 2 other housemates, Austin and Jacob, are actively having an anxiety disorder from this big disobeyer jackass who obsessively likes to disobey my trusted friend's rules that no one at campus house is allowed to complete transports without asking Trayshawn's trusted friends, and the only thing to object I listen to is my dogs, because untrusted staff is such a lonely member, and leveling Trayshawn up to an unauthorized level while completing transports by himself, especially when Trayshawn was actively having an anxiety disorder, and today I deny Snap because I have my own Snap. Trayshawn and 7 other housemates are actively having an anxiety disorder disorder of unnecessary stress being added from shit jackass staff known as Hershey-taking mushrooms for not consulting the permission from Trayshawn's forbidding trusted forbidding friends, not my dolls, because those are for me to listen to instead of stupid shit jackass staff known as Hershey-taking mushrooms. But I do need Josh to stop completing transports and start consulting the permission from Trayshawn's trusted friends, Shaylee and Evelyn, so that my assistant niece Brittany can ask my sister Sophia that it is finally time that Vines and Trayshawn can finally give Kevin his Room Factory fallback as an award for Josh consulting the permission from Trayshawn's trusted friends, Shaylee and Evelyn, and yes, I grabbed the campus house van book and hid it in Stephanie's classroom behind the door because Josh likes to stress people out and completing transports by himself without asking my trusted friends consent or permission to complete transports on your own, and Josh needs to stop completing transports and start consulting the permission from Trayshawn's trusted friends, not my dolls, because those are for me to listen to instead of stupid lonely staff members who obsessively like to disobey my trusted friends' rules and requested orders that Trayshawn and 7 other housemates are actively having an anxiety disorder, especially when Josh does campus house transports on his own while Trayshawn and 7 other housemates are actively having an anxiety disorder and disobeying our manager's requested orders that Trayshawn and 7 other housemates are actively having an anxiety disorder and completing transports by yourself isn't going to help my housemates remain their calmest cool because of Josh's behavior and setting an inappropriate example by transporting on your own while Trayshawn and 7 other housemates are actively having an anxiety disorder and that totally ruined my chance to get the Room Factory full game and give it back to Kevin and Cynthia, and Shaylee specifically said that no one at campus house such as Josh is not allowed to be completing campus house transports without asking Shaylee and Evelyn for an approval or an okay, or as me and my dolls like to say, it's all clear that Josh can start completing the campus house transports as long as he pays attention to Trayshawn and 7 other housemates' active anxiety disorders, and that is the main reason I started bringing one of my favorite dolls, Leaf Brittany, and my cutout of Princess Sophia to help cut down the unnecessary stress.